The melody of the song is... Very good. Mommy remembered. It's will do. Okay? Can you guys sing with me? Will do. Come on, sing it.
Will, Caroline.
Will do.
Sing, Caroline.
Tapos, if I give you the stick, you're very excited. Okay, Vivian first. And then you guys, please wait for your turn. Wow! Can you play some more? You're very shy about to Vivian. Very good, Vivian. Can you give it to Thomas? Very good. Very good, Thomas. Okay, can you pass it to Zoe? Oh, be careful. Also the stick, Thomas. Can you give it to Zoe? You look very cute, Zoe. I like it.
Thanks for Thomas na.
Very good. Can you give it to Caroline, please? Come on, Caroline. Yeah. Can you sing Will Do while you're doing that? 1, 2, 3. Very good, Caroline. Clap your hands, please. Very good. Okay. Let's say bye-bye to the child first.
Give it to the teacher.
Very good. Okay. Now, we will